say birds of the same feather. Flock together, left from whatever. Been some lonely endeavors. With your eyes to the heavens, they never expected. Find myself flying the highest when I'm an eagle in perfect alignment. Get faith or die trying. I feel like David, I see Goliath. I think I'm Daniel. Take out the
Look at y'all. Look at this. My husband wrote a note and he told me, "Little next to you, happy sweetest day." And he bought me some strawberries. Ooh, what that say? Let me see. Look at the glove compartment next to you. Alright, hold on. And he said, "Oh, I got a Kit Kat." Hey, look. Now look behind you. Let me see. Oh, he got me some Grippos. Okay. See, it don't gotta be much, you guys, to make your wives happy, okay? It don't have to be much. He know I love Grippos. He know I love Kit Kats. And he know I love strawberries. Let me set this camera up for y'all so y'all can travel with me when I go get this thing done. About to talk to y'all about it. Hold on 1 second, okay? It's your girl, Britt, aka Rock Your Glory. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. So I'm driving right now. Hopefully my camera don't mess up while I'm driving. So I am doing a big chop today. My hair is going to be cut short. It's going to be really hard to do because my hair has heat damage in it. I know, don't be mad at me, y'all, but it's time to let it go. I've been trying to grow the heat damage out or trying to reconstruct it for 9 months and it has not been working. Yeah, it's time for it to go. I've been complaining about my hair. It's just been a lot going on with my hair. It's going down, y'all. I'm about to cut this joint, alright? This is about to go. I'm gonna be talking to y'all. It's about to go. Ooh, I'm ready.
Getting rid of dead hair.
Yes.
This is
Dead. Dead and gone.
hair that was flat ironed. And
Yeah.
the elasticity was pulled out of it, as you can see.
Mm-hmm. It's gone. Oh, it's natural back. It's back natural, y'all.
See you later.
Bye-bye.
You can see where the straight damaged hair from the flat iron. There's no elasticity, no bounce back. But of course, we have to shape it up. You can't just cut the damaged part off. You can see it here.
Ooh.
Warning, warning, warning.
It's a style I never thought I would be able to do my hair this short, but I achieved the style with it. I did coils. I did some finger coils. It's still drying. It's not 100% dry. I cut all of my hair off. I got my hair cut by Saya. She just cut it and I styled it. I did some finger coils and I cut it because of heat damage. I'm gonna show y'all a clip of that. There my hair got heat damage from my press and curl, which I'll talk to y'all about later. So I really be trying to deep condition this section more. And it was just completely damaged, not only on that side, but it was completely damaged in the back, in the front. It was completely damaged everywhere. I only had like literally this much of natural hair left. So I just decided to just cut it off. Like, I got tired of dealing with the damage. I got tired of dealing with it. So this is not the first time I cut my hair, and this like the third time I got my hair cut, and it's gonna grow back. Like if I lose some subscribers, I lose some followers, it is what it is. It's going to grow back. I'm not trying to keep it short. I'm trying to let it grow out. It was actually hard for me to cut my hair. It wasn't hard for me to do it today that I got it cut, but it was hard for me to actually want to cut it because it was damage that I didn't do to my hair. It was damage somebody else did. So I never flat ironed my hair, my own hair. My hair since 2016. I let it stylist flat iron my hair twice. The first time my hair reverted back completely. The second time it didn't revert back at all. It just didn't revert back. She didn't use that much heat. She only pressed it and flat ironed it twice. I just don't understand why I didn't revert back, but it is what it is. I'm gonna have fun with this hair. Yep, I got short hair now. I got a big head, y'all. My head's so big, y'all. Look how big this hair is. Can you say it? Big head, big head. I'm gonna be talking about myself a lot. Like, yeah, like, I'm gonna be going in on myself, but I love it though. I'm not gonna lie. Like, I feel like I'm going to build my self-esteem up, my self-esteem higher. I'm not going to be dependent on my hair to make me beautiful. I'm going to depend on God to let me know that I am beautiful. I was dependent on my hair, like when I wore my hair to the side, I was so dependent on that to cover my face, to cover my head. I was so dependent on like wearing my hair to the side and all that stuff like that. And now I have to show my features. I have to show my face. I have to show my cheeks. Say, that's so cute.
Yeah, you look cute.
You think mommy cute?
Yay.
You like my short hair? You recognize who I am?
Yeah.
Yes. Yeah, I just cut it. Like, it wasn't hard today, but it was hard actually putting my mind to it, having the mentality to do it. I just got tired of dealing with the heat damage, y'all. And also, oh yeah, the pictures, I actually end up cutting a lot more off. This how much I cut off myself. Like, this part right here, y'all know this part goes to like down here. I cut it all the way up here. Like, I cut it because I just didn't want to be dependent on that part of my hair. I'm gonna be honest with y'all, because I'm so dependent on it to cover my head or cover my face. I'm so used to that covering up my face, so I just show y'all a piece of how it's just like it was straight. You see how straight that is? My hair wasn't damaged at all, but I just cut it. I just cut it because I just didn't want to depend on my bang no more. And we gonna have fun, man. The tutorial's gonna be litter and shorter, cause my hair is shorter. It's gonna be lit. I'm damaged. You see this? All that heat damage, bro. Here you go. Here go the parts I cut off. A lot of it had to go. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe to this channel. Thank you guys for watching. Coming through. Coming through for you, girl. Deuces. 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 Big Shop 2018. Big Shop. Big Shop.